In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to safely remove a contact from your Smartsheet account. First, open your web browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you should land on the home area of Smartsheet, where you usually see your recent sheets, favorites, and workspaces. From here, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There's a menu area that contains your account-related options. That's where you'll find the controls for managing your personal contacts. Click on that highlighted menu option to open the account menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is the place where Smartsheet stores the list of people you've saved for quick sharing and collaboration. Go ahead and click on My Smartsheet Contacts. This will open a separate window or panel showing your contact list. Give the contact window a moment to load if needed. You should now see a list of names and email addresses that you've previously added. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place, because any changes you make here will affect who appears when you share sheets or assign tasks. Next, scan through the list and find the specific contact you want to delete. Be careful here and double-check that you've selected the correct person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Once you've located the right contact, click on it to highlight or select it. This tells Smartsheet which contact you intend to manage. After the contact is selected, look for the Delete option in the contact window. This might appear as a button or a menu command depending on your layout, but it will be clearly labeled Delete. Click on Delete to remove the selected contact from your Smartsheet contacts. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete this contact. If a confirmation message appears, review it and then confirm the action. Once that's done, the contact will be removed from your list and will no longer appear when you share items or assign work using your saved contacts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Smartsheet.